Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Mr. Larios with your Business Information Management 2 quick pro tip iCEV assignments tutorial. Now, today, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and review what we went through today in class. For those of us that missed class today or that feel that I may have gone a little bit too fast. So today, what we're going to go ahead and do is navigate through the entire process of completing assignments in iCEV for your Business Information Management 2 class. Now, when we are in Schoology, you will see here that we are in the Microsoft 365 Word Basics, Unit 2, Documents, Templates, and Entering Text. Now, here is going to be your student notes folder. You're going to have a couple of documents here. Then you're going to have your Do Now and your daily assignments, okay? And so for your Do Now today, it was for you to go to iCEV or the Student Notes folder and complete your and review the information that was in the iCEV PowerPoint presentation. All right. Now, for your first daily assignment, it was going to be the activity keyboard shortcut matchup. Okay. And so what you were supposed to be doing is to visit iCEV and go to the BIM II Microsoft 365 Unit 2 lesson and complete the keyboard shortcut matchup activity. Once you complete the assignment, you have been graded and has been graded. You will go ahead and do a screenshot, okay? Once you do a screenshot, you will upload that screenshot of your grade, your name, and your lesson title to your Schoology, just like everybody here did, all right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and walk through it. So how do I get this done? Here we go. First, you're going to start off with this particular page, your Spring ISD student dashboard. When you get here, you're going to go ahead and click on the instructional tab, and you are going to look for the iCEV assignment tab. Okay, here it's going to bring you to a list of courses. You are going to scroll down until you find your class period. Once you find your class period, you're going to click on it, and you're going to go ahead and look for today's assignment. And today we are doing Word Basics, Unit 2, Documents, Templates, and Entering Text. All right. Word 365 Word Basics, Unit 2, Documents, Templates, and Entering Text. So once we're here, you're going to go ahead and click View. When you click View, you're going to see that you will have a PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint presentation for today is your Do Now. And in your Do Now, all that you need to do is review the information on the PowerPoint presentation. Once you complete this part of your activity, you're going to scroll down, go to Interactive Assignments, and you will go to Activity Keyboard Shortcut Matchup. Here, you are going to go ahead and use the knowledge and information that you gathered in the PowerPoint presentation, and you are going to go ahead and match these shortcuts with what it actually does, okay? So for example, if you know that this one is, where is it? I know it's somewhere around here. Yep, there it is, right here. All right, and then italicize Control I. I know that the Control I is here. Selects all. I want to say that's Control A. All right, adds an underline. That's Control U. And so on and so forth, right? So once you get every single command matched up with a shortcut, you're going to go ahead and click Review, Finish, and all questions have been attempted. Yes. All right, and then you're going to get a grade for your submission, okay? Now, I didn't quite finish it, but for the sake of this example, let's assume that this is a passing grade. You have unlimited opportunities to complete it, and once you complete it and you're satisfied with your grade, you will go ahead and take this grade, this assignment, and this particular this area here is where your name is going to be. This is where I'm going to need you guys to screenshot, okay? And when you screenshot this, you will go ahead and get the screenshots submitted in Schoology. Now, for those of us that are not familiar with how to screenshot, all you have to do is press the uh, Windows uh, key tab and the print screen. You press these two at the same time and you will get a blink. This blink is indicating that your screenshot has been captured. Now, where do you go to get this one? You're going to go here. You're going to go to Pictures, Screenshots, and then you're going to scroll down and here it is right there. All right. And so whenever it's time for you to submit this assignment, all you do is you submit that particular screenshot to get your assignment completed, okay? So with that said, guys, this is how you do your particular assignment. You start off by visiting this page. You click on the instructional tab. Then you go ahead and go to iCEV. You pick your class, click on it. You go to your respected class assignment, click on that as well, and then you move on with the instructions that you need to do to complete your assignment. Okay? All right, guys, thank you so much.